So Google Workspace is a popular business site of world-class productivity and collaboration apps built for all types and sizes of business. Google Workspace also offers a professional business email service. And today I'm going to help you get up and running it with all of the essential Google Workspace features that you need to know. Hey guys, stay here. Welcome along to this channel. I hope all is well in your world now. In this Google Workspace tutorial for beginners, I'm going to gently take your hand and walk you through how you can use Google Workspace so that your business can make the most of this all-in-one business suite. So the first thing that you have to do is dive into workspace.com.google.com, and this is the homepage. As you can see, we have your various information. So to use Google Workspace effectively, start by setting up your account through the Google Admin Console, where you can manage users, set permissions, and customize your domain settings. So the first thing that you have to do is click over Start, and you find here Getting Started. So you write your company name, for example, this is a shop here, and number of employees including you. So you click here, and we have here written as Morocco, and you click over next again. So then we have here what are your contact details. Because you create the Google Workspace account, you will be the administrator. So you write your name, for example Mike, and then your name here. Then we have email here also, and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find here just a method to set up your account. To set up your company's email and Google Workspace account, you will need to have a domain as example.com. So let's choose this one. For example, we have here get a new custom domain, buy a new domain, and grow your brand online. We have here configure with your existing domain, use the domain you already own. So let's click over continue with this method. Then we have here what is your company's domain name. Enter your company's domain name. You will use this name to set up custom email address such as info. We have example.com. We will tell you later how to confirm that your company owns this domain. So for example, I will give an example here. And then you click over next. Once you click over next, you'll find other things that you have to link it, like your address and your phone number, also your postal code and other information, and email, your code also, or password. Then you were done with your inscription or your sign up. So let's come back to the home page. And here we have here a video showing how it works with Google Workspace. As you can see, have you shot got an exciting update. Can you hop on a quick video call? This is how it looks. Can you present your location? No problem, we'll finish brainstorming. And you have your location ages like name, create your photos. Also we have here share, and we have other things. Also we have here a solution that brings together the applications popular with more than 3 billion users: Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and many others, now available with Gemini for Workspace to boost productivity with EA. Then we have your solutions. But before that, let's know how you can work with Google Workspace. So once your account is set up, users can access various applications like Gmail for email, Google Drive for file storage, and Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides for document creation and collaboration. Encourage team members Choose Google Meet for virtual meetings and Google Calendar for scheduling. Leverage shared drives for collaborative projects and explore Google Workspace's integration capabilities with other tools you use. Regularly review and adjust settings to ensure security and optimize your workflows. So let's know why we use Google Workspace right now. So Google Workspace is widely used because it offers a comprehensive suite of cloud-based productivity tools that enhance collaboration and efficiency with applications like Gmail, Google Drive, Talk, Sheets, and Meet. It allows teams to work seamlessly together in real time, regardless of location. Its integration and accessibility make it easy to share files, communicate, and manage projects effectively, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. The flexibility and scalability of Google Workspace cater to both small business and large enterprises, making it a versatile choice for various organizational needs. So then we have here other options like solution for individual, we have small and medium sized enterprises, large companies, and also we have products here. So if we click here, show all the applications, you will find here applications included like Gmail, Docs, Meet, Sheets, Keep, Script, Apps, Cat, Slides, Calendar, Forms, Drive, and Sites. They have security and management, complementary modules, and we have other information here. Then we have resources here also, EA sectors, so you can just click over the one you want. And if we come back here, we have some questions. So we have the first one, products are included in Google Workspace. So you click over it, then you get your answer. You have here with Gemini for Workspace and where can I find out more about it. We have which Google Workspace plan is best for my business, and here we have is it possible to try Google Workspace before committing, and you have how do I sign up for Google Workspace, what is the difference between G Suite and Google Workspace, and this is it how you can get started with Google Workspace. So at least you have just to get started by clicking on start and you start your inscription by signing up with your personal information. Then you get started. This is how it looks and how you can get started. So this is Google Workspace and how you can work with it. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.